Oliver, do you want to help me out with something? Yeah, okay, we're gonna do a project. Today, you and me, we're gonna make some cookies. Yay! All right, the first step in making our cookies is we have to read the directions. And we need to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Okay, buddy?
Next.
Okay, we need to put our cookies on the sheet. All right, let's do it. All right, the oven's preheating. The cookies are on the sheets. And all we have to do is we have to wait 95 more degrees and we can put the cookies in the oven. All right. Guess what, Oliver? Oliver, guess what? Do you know what that sound means? It means that the oven is ready. Time to put in our cookies. All right, we gotta get our oven mitt. We're gonna put in the cookies. One tray of cookies. 2 trays of cookies. We gotta set our timer. Let's go for 10 minutes to start. All right, now we wait. Now we wait.
All right.
The buzzer went off. So let's see if the cookies are ready or if they need some more time. Oh, they definitely need some more time. For sure. All right, it looks like our cookies are ready. They're ready, yay! All right, it looks like we're ready to get out the cookies and see how they are. Yum. We can't wait. We can't wait. Yay! What do you think, Oliver? Is that right? Are you ready to watch me eat the cookies? Okay. Yay!